Sometimes a bank will say you are not eligible for a loan modification because the modification is not in the interest of the investor who owns the loan. The bank will sometimes say that you did not pass the net present value test. With many loan modification programs, including the federally sponsored HAMP loan modification program, you will not receive a loan modification unless the bank determines that the investor who owns your loan would be better off modifying your loan than foreclosing on your home. This is often in the interest of the investor if you owe more than your house is worth and you can afford to make significant payments. For this reason, the lower your property value and the higher your gross monthly income, the more likely it is for the bank to determine that the investor would benefit from a loan modification. If you are denied a loan modification because the modification is not in the interest of the investor, or you didn't pass the net present value test, the bank usually must provide you with a net present value input sheet that lists the numbers that the bank used to make its decision. If you disagree with the numbers, and particularly if you think that your house is worth less, or you have a higher income than the numbers the bank used, you can try to appeal the bank's decision. If your denial was under the HAMP program, you can also check the decision using numbers the bank provided at a website called checkmympv.com. To summarize this video, a net present value test is a process the bank uses to determine if a loan modification will benefit the investor. Important numbers in this test include your income and the value of your home. And for HAMP loan modifications, you can check the accuracy of this test at checkmympv.com.